With a smile so warm it ignites the nights. Every town she visits, hearts she entwines, and water's magic flows like the finest wines. With every step she spreads her cheer, an understanding friend who draws us near. It's on a motor shining bright, in a world of chaos she's our light. With kindness in her heart and love to bestow, she shows us all how to grow.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are still in the area around Kolol. As you can hear, there's some sound of waterfall. Yes, that is where we are going. But behind me guys, you can see a lot of natural aloe vera. Let me turn the camera so that you can see. Welcome guys to this video where today I'm going to show you the Kolol Fall in Eldoret. Okay, thank you so much returning subscribers and new subscribers. You're welcome. Happy holidays to everyone. It's rocky. The magic of nature. Look at this natural aloe vera. They're growing alone. Wild aloe vera growing by themselves. There's a lot of them, as you can see. A lot of aloe plants. They grow naturally, and that is where we are going. On that fall, you can hear, yes, you can hear the sound of water. That's where we are going. And look at the beautiful natural look. There's people doing some laundry down there, but I'm loving how nature can be so breathtaking. The sky, beautiful view. So that is where we are heading, but first I had to admire these aloe veras. I think I will take one with me. Looks so juicy. Aloe vera has a lot of health benefits, and also for the skin. Sometimes when you're coming from a very sunny place, you can just take the aloe vera, and after washing your face you just apply. Nature. So I'm taking this with me. Let's go guys, let's go. Listen to the sound of the waterfall. Nature. Ooh, the stones. More aloe vera here. We are getting closer, and this is how it looks. We are getting closer and closer. I'm so excited. Look at the river. We used to swim in these waters when we were young. I wonder how we used to manage to swim in such water. Oh my goodness. People do come here for picnics and photo shoots. This is how it looks, guys. So beautiful. And this aloe vera plant is having these amazing flowers. Can you see them? Yeah, so people come here for picnics sometimes around that area I showed you before. Under this acacia tree is also a beautiful place where you can just bring your picnic blanket and have your snacks and meals here. It looks amazing. So people normally come here for picnics. There's another acacia tree there. how it looks. From this side, this is how it looks. Look at those cute birds playing. So you see this grass here? This is where you can sit and have your picnic. Under here, like those people, you're seeing them there. This is how this will look. I think it's looking so magnificent. It's a beautiful view. Let's get a closer look. Let's get a closer look, and then we'll climb up there. We'll climb up there and see. So this is the closer look. This is how it looks from a closer glance. Wow, that is so close there. Hii maji hapa venye ni safi na ikitoka pale ni chafu. So guys, from the top, this is how it looks. This is how people come to have the view from the top. Let me show you. This is the top view. I think this is a man-made dam. This is a man-made dam, and this is how it looks from the top. That is where those who swim go. Here I am with my aloe vera. That is where the people who swim jump, but it's not safe for those who are not professional swimmers. So people come and stand here to have a view from the top. This is the aerial view. This is the aerial view of this place, the Kolol Fall. This is how the aerial view looks. So guys, if you have watched this video until this point, I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. This is how it looks. I will catch you on the next video. For now, it's a bye bye.